Good morning. I forgot to mute on spaces for a second there. All right. Good morning. Sorry, I was on spaces and I did not mute over there when I started yelling good morning over here. But good morning, stream. How is everyone doing? Happy Tuesday. It's March the 18th. And it's a Tuesday. I'm getting to stream on a Tuesday this week, Tuesday and Friday, right here on Wolf Financial and Edgeful. Of course, we appreciate everyone that tunes in to these streams. And we'll see what presents itself this morning. What in the world are we doing? We get some things set up here, get some music going. You guys in the chat. Somebody let me know if everything sounds okay while that music's loud. Gotta have some kind of music. Gotta have some music here. There we go. Can already see we have a decent sized gap forming, and you guys know I'm gonna go immediately look at the size. Let's make this bigger for everyone to see. And resize the screen, make sure we can all see everything. Can it get any bigger? Can it get bigger? There we go. There we go. What's the chart look like, guys? Are we good? Let me zoom in a little bit and make it a little bit bigger. There we go. There we go. All right. What's up, chat? How we doing? We got some people trailing in. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone's doing fine. All right. Where are we at? What is going on? It looks like we're about to make new lows. We have been pulling back all morning long. Took a little trade while ago, and I'm just getting stopped out, break even on the runners. A little bit of profit in my pocket to start the day, which is always fun. There we go. Now I see some of my friends flying in crossbars. Good morning. Hope you are doing well. Good to see you as always. Andy. Good morning, Andy. Hope you're doing well wherever you are at in this world. Hope you guys are ready for a Tuesday morning live trading session. We'll see what presents itself. Obviously, this week, the big thing tomorrow is FOMC and Jerome Powell speaking to us tomorrow. So that's the big thing of the week. Other than Friday, obviously we do have um, quad witching, triple witching, whichever you want to call it, for all the options expiration. So the futures, a lot of you will notice the futures have rolled over. I am now trading the June contract. That is the M. So you see NQ, M, ESM. Those are the ones that I am now trading on. It looked like the volume for me switched over to those, as well as a lot of your prop firms and others have flipped those contracts over. We have 40 seconds here until the open, and we will see what presents itself this morning. I'm interested. I'm interested to see what we do today. We've had two positive days in a row. Here's our daily chart. Looks pretty decent as far as, we slightly lower low, but then we've bounced back up and we've taken out basically the previous week's range. We need to hold above this area. And obviously our target, if we can maybe fill this gap a little bit here, would be a nice target today. And then up here to the 200-day moving average, little back test of that would be nice. And our market is open. I'm looking at a long down here at this 860. I'm looking at a long down here. Let's see. Take a little starter. All right, I just got my next fill there. My average is right here. I don't like trading this close to the open, but I have some support here. What I have here is it's the fibs on the bigger time frame, as well as basically yesterday's lows are right in this area. Want to see if those are going to hold, and we've fallen pretty hard here going into the open, so I'm looking for a bounce play. See if we can get back to 900. I'm gonna look for like 892 on that first trim. Um, I'm just gonna give it to about right here for now. Previous day's low, like 833, 834. We'll give it just below that. So first target for me is we'll go right here, 93, 92, about 26 points. Second target, see if we can get up here into like the 930 area, and then if we're able to really push, be able to get it, maybe able to get 100 points out of it. We'll see. But yeah, Mr. Gambling Bear, good morning to you, sir. All right, let's see if we can make some money to start the day. Let's see if we get a little bounce here. It is early in the day. I have all my orders already in. Joshua, thanks for stopping by. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Joshua. My average is actually 68. Let me correct that. I guess full target could be all the way up here, but I'll definitely be looking to trim right here, 92. And then here in the 30 area, and then yeah, probably into VWAP if we get more of a bounce. I don't know. I'm not super excited about the longs here, but I think we can get some type of bounce play. If this holds, this is the area I'd want to hold. Maybe 800 next on the new contract. It's a little bit convoluted here. 628 yesterday's low on the old contract. So this is that same area. You see all this action here and all this action here. That's what I'm hoping holds here and bounces. If not, that's all right. We'll take the next trade. So if we hold this previous day's low, we take it out, then I am out quickly. There, yep, I just stopped out. All right. Watch this 807. I may try it again down here. All right, I'm going to take another entry here. This foul I do not like this today. Oh, Nvidia's getting absolutely smoked. Yes, I'm on June contract. 75 would be the next spot, but boy, if we break this, we don't get a bounce here. I'm starting to get a little bit concerned with the structure. Right, I'm looking for something like this. I can scale in a little bit more here if I need to. I'm lagging this morning. Where was that overnight low? 833. My average is down here now because I added. Let's see if we can get back to like that 59. What ugly, ugly open here. I'm looking for this thing to snap back. And then we've broken previous day lows. We may have to be a little bit bearish today. Where's SPY at? There's a previous day low right there on SPY. I just got my last ad on this one right here. I don't really want to risk a whole lot more. Here is my average right there. Got several things hitting support, but this thing is ugly looking right now. I know I'm probably early to a bounce play. That came way down further than I thought it was going to be. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Looking for that previous day low, first trim here. 832, we'll go 830. And we'll look for this 957, 958 in front of this. We immediately reject right here. It gets ugly, ugly. I know, right? I don't like to trade this early normally, but taking a couple shots at it here. All right, I took a little ad. I'm going to try to trim 807. Stop right here. Well, surely we can get back to 807. On, push to that 800. Give me that 807. Give me that 807. Javier, buenos dias. Good morning. Good morning. Oh my gosh. Really? We couldn't get to 807? Oh, I'm out. Oof. All right. Well, Nvidia is getting absolutely crushed. Oh, the two spots I wanted to hold did not hold. Boom. This is getting ugly in a hurry. Yeah, 680 maybe, Spider Kid. I almost want to try it again, but goodness gracious. Can we try the 682? That's what I get, Spider Kid, for trading so early. Crazy. There's no news going on with this either. This is just some names just getting absolutely crushed this morning. Let's do this. Let's see. What does this look like? Six seventies. Golden retrace. Be worth a shot here. Yeah, I came in hot this morning, Fire Kid. Spider Kid. Fire Kid. Came in hot with a couple losses. 88. It really couldn't come down another like few points. Maybe even a little bit lower. Maybe this 473 over here on QQQ. Yeah, I'm slowing down. I'm gonna wait and let this play out a little bit. I still think this is you have a shot at buying a dip here for a bounce, but overextended here. I was looking for dip buys and they didn't work out. It happens. It's not looking good for the rest of the day unless this makes a big V-shaped recovery off this area. But we also broke previous day's low already, so that's the back test you're looking for if you're long. A lot of red out here this morning. Exxon Mobil, about the only thing kind of green, barely green. Tesla down 5.6%, Nvidia down 3% ahead of their conference today. I don't know. I have some levels down here on some of these big names. Oh, Google's back to 160. But I do think we can bounce here. So let's try it again. I'm going very light starter. 670 Spider Kid. Yeah, this 676, 682 area, I would be comfortable playing a bounce there. But where we bounced here, see if we get a test into this. I just said I wasn't going to take another shot at it. Here I'm taking another shot at it. Where's our? I don't like that we came through these 4-hour EMAs. There it is. Okay, hold on. Oh, see if it holds. All right, another shot at it. I added at my level here. I have this stop way tighter. All right, I went ahead and took a little trim here just to get myself right. We can get up there to that 770. I don't like how this is acting, guys. It's not getting kind of this bounce back reaction off this level. But hey, I'm trading my plan. Oh, oh no. Boy, Nvidia's got no bounce in sight right now. This is going to get ugly. It doesn't hold this level right here. It's already ugly, but it holds golden retrace right here. 670. Did you have you had 670 Spider Kid? Where would you come down to? 677? 676 is that golden retrace? Oh, they're gonna stop me out again. Oof. Nope. They're gonna stop me out. Oh, I'm just waiting on it to stop me out. Oh, nope, stopped out. Dang. I don't have anything below this. Yeah, I know. If this goes any lower, it gets real ugly, real fast. Oh, I've got to slow down now. I chart out these levels here to see what we've got to deal with. But now we've broke structure so bad now, it's like, woof. Where's SPX 5616? Go to the old ES chart here and see. Yes, this 5610 on the ES was a big spot. S1 right here. Boy, this is a knifer, a little dumpski this morning. Maybe those 400s on the old contract. That's a wide 30-minute orb we just got there. Immediately broke it to the downside. VIX is up like 10%. Boy, I will sit and wait now for a little bit. This is ugly structure break. This may turn into short the pops, like back test. So we get a little bounce up here, or maybe I have to short it 750s. I don't know, it's so overextended, it should bounce at some point. Down 2% to start the day without even, I mean, what are we, our gap down wasn't even that big, was it? 0.69, golly. Well, we're not looking for that. Oh, they're gonna close this candle up here. If it immediately rejects this fib, I think you can get by with a long scalp here. But I thought that 3 times already this morning. Thought this was going to pop a little bit higher. That would have been nicer. Now, is this one going to be able to do it? I don't know. There's so much pressure. NVIDIA's at, boy, did we go fill this gap today? Clearly not. That would be way too far down, right? I think you'd have to have news to go much lower. 2% off the bat. NVIDIA down 4%. That's not helping. Poor Tesla. Poor Tesla. Oh gosh, Meta broke structure. Look at that. Mag 7 names are getting absolutely decimated. We Googled that acquisition, burning all that cash. Expect this rubber band snapback a little bit, and then you probably short the back test, but goodness gracious. Where's SPY? 560. I'm going to take out 2 previous days of lows. Well, I don't know, guys. Tough scene out here right now. And notice how like this, it's not even like getting any type of bounce here. It goes a little bit. Now the question is, like, do you long here or are you short here? I really don't want to find out that answer. I just saw a big buy, 168 lots. All right. Being patient because I want to try to long from here back up to here. Like it could come down here and test this all the way again. I think it's just gonna bounce first. I don't know. This is ugly. Oh, I didn't get in. Didn't pull back far enough for me, but I do think we can get up here to the 747 area. Boy, this is a ugly open. This is 15-minute open here. Damn. Oh, boom. All right. Let's try that again. Risk low day. And get up there to the MA9. Pop up a little bit more. I'll pop up a little bit higher and I'll take a big trump. We have to go ahead and take a safety trim here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Small ad, same stop. Really want to kind of put my stop right here at or below. Well, this is not bouncing. Ton of cells just came in. I don't know if that's long getting stopped out. I'm think I'm about to get out. Am I gonna do the same thing as last week? Get out and it rips higher? Nah, this I don't like how this is acting. I don't like all the cells. I'm about to get out. Or I'll go to a 20-point stop. No, this selling is too heavy right now. We're not gonna get this bounce. It's probably gonna make a lower low and then go. Yeah, I'm seeing nothing but selling. Yep, I'm out. No, I'm not out. I'm gonna be out right here on this candle. No, I don't like where we're at. Um, yeah, I can't even get a bounce here. Can't even get a bounce. We're not holding this orb, or are we? I don't know. All right, I'm taking some trims here. I gotta get out of this a little bit because there's no buying going on. Let me out. Let me out. Yep. Look at Apple green. Apple holding the market. This stuff looks gross. 1.84% already. Why is this so ugly this morning? Well, sellers could not wait to come back to the market. Probably not going to fill this gap at this point. Single break, previous day's range. We know that's bearish. 13 minutes until that opening candle. And IB, we're going to have so much. I don't like how this like is rejecting right at what I wanted it to hold. Not a good look. Yeah, I think this goes lower. Yeah, I think this is going to drop lower. I just don't even want to be in this trade. Get me out. There it is. Yep. Unbelievable. Watch now, it's going to bounce. Yeah, look at this. I knew it. Dadgummit. Yeah, I'm going to have to let something set up because this is just disgusting looking. Because now my risk reward for a long here just takes me back to here. It is wild that you didn't even bounce into the EMAs. Now there's big buyers. Of course. Yeah, now it's going to play out. I just want to give a stop down to here. You need VIX to calm down. Goodness gracious. What an ugly morning. What'd you guys do? Who made Meta mad? 4% down. Google 4% down. Nvidia 3% down. Apple somehow green. Well, the two largest companies in the world are doing decent comparatively. Microsoft's only down 1.2. Tesla's bouncing. Trying to. Boy, first chance those Bears had to sell again. They came in heavy. Short Apple. What does Apple's daily look like? Are you still sitting? You're still sitting in short, so you don't know. Been short. Ooh, that looks ugly actually. That looks short on Apple. Both. He said both. I'm just watching this develop. I need a couple more minutes here to get that opening, that IB, which is going to be way down here. Maybe we let that break, get that 600-ish, and then maybe we can play a alongside. Yeah, this structure is broken. It's ugly. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait and see what the IB does play off of that. I could see the argument for the long right here off of that. Golden retrace back to 770s. I can't take another shot at it right now. Ooh, how much we just open and go down 265 points? Gosh. I cannot get excited about this structure break at all. I mean, this is a decent sized area on SPY, but QQQ. I'm back to Friday's low right there. I can see this being the spot. This is wild. It's 10:30. We haven't got a bounce yet. Hopefully it like bounces up here and it comes down to here. I almost want to short that sort of 770 area. Yeah. Oh, little shooting star. Or is it going to push through after the first hour? There's our first hour. Midpoint 476. This is probably closer to the midpoint here. I think you're going to at least get a back test of this, and then we decide, do we short it or do we I don't know. I just don't see the buyers. I see sellers. I see 184 lots sold. Somebody big is sitting on the dom above us as well. EMA 9, they're going to crush it right here. Is this the short? Spider Kid, I believe Trump is talking to Putin today. I think we're going to go back to our blow here. How am I playing this drop? Buying the dip and getting ran over. Buying the dip and getting ran over. That's exactly how I've been playing the drop. IB says, well, we're gonna break one side or the other. Um, let's go back. Bearish bias, bearish candle. IWM is doing better. Yeah, I can't do anything right here. I don't want to long and risk this much. I definitely don't want to short this close. Microsoft's still rolling. Oh, Meta's still drilling right now. Yeah, Meta's still drilling. What's my thoughts on FOMC tomorrow? Hopefully we get a dovish bow. We had a decent data print recently. The market's been down a lot. Maybe they try to like talk people off the ledge a little bit, but you still have all the question marks of tariffs. Like how can you really do anything and price anything in and model anything out right now if you don't have any type of like idea what's going on? Like, okay, are we going to have 25% tariffs? Are we going to have reciprocal tariffs on the whole world? Are they going to be on for a month? Are they going to be on 3 months from now? When? How much? For how long? Like, there's too many question marks. So that's the risk side. But also, I mean, if he comes out and says, okay, no cut this time, but you've got a lot of like, if it moves the needle to more cuts later, maybe that's a decent little sign here. So we'll see. I mean, well, who knows what Powell says? I have just a gut feeling he's going to be on the dovish side of things, but I don't think I'm super excited about like trying to find out. more of like I want to react. I don't even know if I want to trade much tomorrow. Maybe a little bit in the morning, but that entire if we just slow down and go sideways into it, and then after it's over, like I mean, I probably won't trade until he's done. He's like walking off the stage. Maybe I take a trade, but this thing is so slow right now. Like uh, we're not getting just destroyed right here, but we're also not bouncing. Oh, nothing to see. You got ran over a little bit today. Hey, it happens. Part of it. I kept it light. I got ran over a few times. Took several shots at it. I got a little too aggressive too early as far as like the amount of trades. I don't like to trade that early in the morning. That was my that's my learning point for the day. And Spider Kid was all over it. Spider Kid actually saw me and said, hey, it's not like you to trade that early. That's right. He is 100% right. Eyes looking a little bit better here. Trying to bounce. We watched Spy coming into previous day low, midpoint of the IB here. Boy, that original long, if I would have given it a little bit more space, that'd be fine. But, or I say the original long, like the third one I took or whatever. But hey, it happens. It's part of the game. I did not expect them to just absolutely crush us like that, or crush us like this morning. I don't know what to do right here besides nothing. Oh yeah, a little platinum overnight. So, what else do you trade? Do you trade palladium? A lot of people that trade platinum also do palladium. But Microsoft looks rough now, and everything else is trying to pop a little bit, but it could just this looks so bear flaggy. This looks really bear flaggy. Like a rising wedge. Pops over this, and you probably get up here. That's probably the short spot. Yeah, SPY about to hit previous day's low. That would be the back test. Just gold and platinum. Gambling Bear long at 704. There you go. Oh, it really needs to pop a little bit higher here, doesn't it? Oh, I feel like the Bears are just going to come in and whoa, nail this thing back to 700. I mean, there is some buying going on finally. But I saw so much. I've seen a lot of side both sides today. Just people are trying to reposition if they're moving over from the old contract to this contract, but I don't know. This is looking bear flaggy. I just hit VWAP. VWAP and the 21 are both like right here too. Yep, that's what I was worried about. Immediate smackdown. Got some of the data here. We should break one side of that IB, of course. Yep, no, there's no buying this for me yet. It is a flash sell. The video looks just as bad. Can meta hold right here? This might be your higher low. I don't know. You guys are braver than me if you're trying this one. We're 73.12. That was basically our low. So double bottom maybe there? Is that your only confluence? Maybe 559 is your long. I want to try it right here again. But I'd rather go take out the IB low. Yeah, so the IB breakdown, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think breaking the IB before playing upside would be the best case scenario here. Like you probably we can break this. That would be and we're so in this case we're so extended. I mean, if we do break down, this would be a target, obviously, at some point, but I just think we gotta go back test up here before we go lower. But maybe you wick so like my thought process would be probably something like this. You come back up here. Maybe something like that. But we're so extended. I, I would rather do something like this. But I don't need to predict what's going to happen. I can just wait. But I would feel a lot better about a long if we broke the IV low. We are getting bought up once again off of the same support off the orb low. Maybe we come back up here, 744. I don't know. Yeah, I haven't taken anything since then, but boy, to me, this is a tough spot. Now, this is a decent look off of orb low, the 15 minute. If this closes green, but we still got enough time left. But if this closes up here over 700, it would feel a lot better on the 15-minute candle. I gotta wait until see if this IV breaks. Boy, what a ugly morning. What is going on here? What's that 3 minute look like? Yeah, little hammer off of 30 minute orb. I mean, inverted hammer here, maybe. Do 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 do. We haven't gone anywhere in the last hour. Next hour they close in 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 seconds if we're being exact. Watch this thing fly to the upside now. There in the video looks a little bit better now, but it's hitting the 21 on the 5 minute. Microsoft does not look good at the moment. I may have to short this 21 EMA up here if we get up there. I'm just gonna wait and watch this thing play out. See what happens here in a couple minutes. This is an ugly look. Look at this. Trump and Putin have been on the phone for nearly an hour. Call is still ongoing. Maybe we get a news headline out of there soon that'll move us away from this area. I can't do anything right here. I really want to get long. I still do, but back test previous day's low at minimum would be nice. SPY up here. Not no man's land. All right, we just got that hourly close at next 15-minute. It's going to be an ugly hourly, isn't it? Do I even want to look? That last hourly candle was green? That's wild. Here's your selling. Here's your selling. Does it hold or blow? Hopefully it goes and breaks that. Come on, break that. Does SPY do it? SPY just broke. Okay, so we have SPY, IB break. There it is. Breakdown. There it is on Qs. Okay. All right, got that part out of the way. All right. SPY's at my level. Okay. I tried it. There's no way I'm risking down that far. But I just didn't quite hit that level yet, but can add one time here. Complete counter trend trade here, but we finally broke that IB. And I have a level on SPY right here at 42, my other chart. Wait for the 80? Yeah, I could. There's my average right there. I gotta trim into that IB low here. I don't know about this. There's been an order sitting here waiting at 600. That's the other reason why I was long here. Not getting a reaction. Spy's right on the level. Right on it. Maybe yes, sweeps that 5599. Come on, pop up a little bit higher. Pop up a little bit higher. Well, it almost got my trim. Come on, give me 20 points. No. It was basically that IB retest, wasn't it? Come on, touch that IB. There it is. Okay. I just got my trim. All right, 20 points. Took a third off the table. Pops up here, I'll go break even stop. We get to 57. There's a back test. Pushes actually, if it pushes out much lower, I just want to say sayonara. I had to try my spot. Jensen is talking on CNBC right now, apparently. I'm gonna put a trim order in here, 49, and another one here at 57. I don't know what I have the SPY level from, to be 100% honest. But I have a level marked here. It's 529.37. I have it marked on my other chart. I don't know what it's from, but it's there. Jensen is handing out sausages on CNBC and jerky. There it is. Both my trims just went off there. All right. There we go. 40 points. We're on the comeback trail. Now I will go break even. And I'm out. Actually, I'm out a little bit more than half. All right, I had to get a win on the board before the stream runs out of time. Still got some work to do to get back green on the day, but all part of it. Playing the plan. I went a little too early there. So once I said that earlier, that was my takeaway point. I got a little too aggressive in these first dips here. After we broke a couple of these levels, I really thought one of these would at least give us a bounce, like snap back, and turns out it was the other play in the playbook. Let the IB break, and then we try to retrace. So here's the report that goes with this. I do want to look at this. Rejection by retracement. So now the 25% is a 60%. Oh, this is SPY. Hold on, let's go to QQQ. Right at the MA9, by the way. I probably should trim here, but I've got a trim set at 74. All right, hold on, let's go back to the data. Well, there's at least a 54% chance that we get back to this level right here. Doesn't mean it has to happen right now. This right here has a 75% chance that we get here. So I definitely want to watch that. Which is going to be up here, isn't it? Oh no, instant rejection of orb low and the MA9. It's all right. Trade cannot go red. Hey, don't we all? Don't we all? Simpson could give me some sausage and jerky. Hey, it's all right. Look, I hit this long after missing or getting whatever, ran over on 3, 4. I don't know. A couple times I got some trims off to soften the blow and gain a little bit back. This one's helping. Halfway back to red here, or halfway back from red to green. This is a bad look right here on orb low. Candle closed there. This one opened. Whipped into the 9. This could just be another bear flag. Brr. Brr. Few more minutes left on the stream. Would love to get that last trim up here. This is an ugly look on the EMA9s, but you know, maybe higher low Tesla. Tesla's bouncing. Tesla. Tesla. Look at Tesla trying to come back from the grave. The actual tombstone. All right, I'm about to get that trim there. 74. Come on, 74. Oh, don't do that to me. Don't you do that to me. A point away. I want to move my stop up a little bit to like down here. Come on, 74. There it is. Okay. All right. There's a 50-point trade. We're on the comeback trail. A lot of buying happening now. A lot more buying. Maybe shorts getting stopped out. I'm gonna move my stop up a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm gonna stop up in here, this 24 area. I could go into this candle. All right, where's QQQ? Because we want to. Oh, Tesla. Thank you, Tesla. I'll just come up to here. 75% chance. So this is stat of the day. I mean, I'm sorry, 54% chance. 54% chance we get back to this level right here. Highest probability there. I'm sorry. I'm on the wrong one. Guys, I'm all out of sorts today. 62%. 62% because of the breakdown. Breakdown by retracement. 62% of the time you make it back to at least the 25% retracement level of the IB. So what does that mean? That means you break the lower IB, 62% of the time you come back at least to right here, which would make sense. This level, the midpoint, 40% chance. Decent. So what we're not looking for is this one. 17% chance that you make it all the way back up here. So long targets are going to be here the most. Maybe, I mean, runner only, like small runner to up here, because that's a low chance of happening. Don't let this thing bear flag out on us. Could just be another bear flag back test of that same area. Somebody probably shorting here. So that we can get back to the. We haven't touched the 21 all day. I think we get to the 21 and we probably get smacked here. We've got some work to do to even get there. Right. Please hold here and push up. Stop. Let's go. Here, I'll do this. Come below that, we'll stop out, which is going to be that right there. Now SPY's not acting well. Need to hold this. It's interesting. There's no size selling this right now. It's all been on the buy side. That makes me feel a little bit better about holding on to this. I know we're right at the 2-hour mark. Come on. This little pop here. There's a pop in the stream. Can we pop up in the stream? We'll give it another 2 minutes. Hey, I actually don't mind this at all. Honestly, if we get to this 21, you probably can short it right there. First target here, second target here, third target, new lows. I don't know. After this trade, I may have to take a little break. All right, I'm taking this fib off because I want to draw. If that is the low of the day, where are we going to? 752, 787. All right, so that'll be my full upside targets then. Pop it up. Pop it up. We'll end the stream on a good note. Pop upside 21. Here, I'm just going to put this right here. It'll be an 85-point trade. Come on. Remember this 62% probability. 62%. Come on. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Here, actually, I'm not going to go. I'm going to go 699 right there. 82-point trade from our average. And I'm about one trade away from being green on the day after that. This plays out a little bit higher. Ooh. Come on, give us a pop. We'll end the stream on a high note. SPX was at 5,600 too, right at that low. Maybe that's why I had that level drawn. $5,900 right there. Where was he at? 02. Come on. Give me 699. 699. Oh, almost there. Oh, we were almost there. Come on, I want to hear that order filled. Order filled. What was it, 3 points away here? 96. We couldn't get 99. M and Q went even higher. It was like 97. I'll move my stop up to right there. I don't like this upper wick. Oh, it's gonna be brutal. Oh, now we're gonna end the stream on a bad note. What are you doing? 10 seconds left on this candle. Come on, close above. Close above. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, we held our blow. Come on. I do have to run here, like, right now. But I really want this to pop up a little bit higher. For the people. Do it for the people. Reclaim of Orblow is a decent look. Should we put it at the bottom there and trail back up? That would be beautiful. All right, well, this thing is not gonna cooperate. But that's the plan, guys. It's get one more trim here, 69. Runner maybe a little bit higher. This area looks pretty good too. This 100-point trade. It is a fib, and that would give us back to here. SPY is not cooperating. Look at this. SPY did not hold, so I'm not going to hold my breath. If anything, I kind of want to take another trim here, but I'm going to trust it. I'm just going to let it play out. All right, guys. Initial balance. I went too fast this morning. I'll be 100% honest on that. But we're on the comeback trail here. We're almost back. We'll see if this cooperates a little bit. We'll be close to being green. And oh, hold on, hold the phone, hold the phone. But yeah, let's remember the rest of the day. We have here. Let me go to the screener. Rest of the day, it's not going to look very good here. Gap fill, we're not worried about those. Look at all these. This is all bearish because we broke previous day's range. All bearish on this IB right now, and all but Apple bearish on that opening candle. So we have a very low. Look, let's pull up the stats here just so you guys know what we're looking at. 77% chance we have a red day today. So what does that mean on QQQ? That means we don't look for this. But that means all this is in play. All this area right here is in play. But remember, 17% chance to get to here, 40% chance here, 62% chance here. I like this and this. This ultimate target probably could fade it off of previous day's low if we get there. Come on, just do me a favor, market. Come on. Give me my trim, 699. 699. I'm going to close down the stream. Come on, come on, come on. Hold on. I taking all kinds of time to do this. Stare at the screen harder, it's gonna go. Y'all ever seen the video where the guy's like blowing on this monitor, like that's one of my favorite trading videos of all time. Tesla flagging up here. SPY is sitting right at 560 and it's not cooperating very well. I have people waiting on me and they can wait. We are going to try to get this. Wait, how did this change? All right, I gotta lower this a little bit because that EMA 9 came down. So now we're looking for 96. I'm sorry, EMA 21. Come on, 96, 96, 96, 96, 96, 96. How about so I count it down as a 3, 2, 1, go. That didn't work. It went red. Oh, 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 come on. What? Come on. Somebody out there's got to be screaming at me. Just lower your profit target. If I had more ammo, I would just trim right here. Just keep spelling right here. Like, I'd definitely just exit stage left. Oh my gosh. Give me the 21, 21, 21, 21. Apparently, the Putin Trump call is still ongoing, according to the White House. I'm just staring at this thing. All right, but remember, rest of the day, we are not looking for. Maybe if I quit looking at it, it'll happen. Um, rest of the day, we can't look for a whole lot, but yeah, guys. I mean, I just don't have a whole lot of confidence in anything the rest of the day. But there it is. Okay, finally. Now we can close the stream. Okay, 79 points. Last drum runners only stops are going up here. Stops are up here. What is that? Where's that stop at? 38 points in profit on runners. All right, guys, that's it. As always, follow Wolf Financial. Check out Edgeful, edgeful.com. Build your screener out. because this I can just look at this and say, okay, rest of the day, what am I not looking for? Big V-shaped recovery. And the first thing I looked at this morning as it was about to open, this gap fill, 0.69, high size. Boy, since it was right on the line here, uh, that's close enough that I don't expect that to fill. All right, guys, I've got to run. Hope you all have a great day. I am almost green. Almost green. We're gonna find a way to finish the day green. If I slowed down, Spider Kid, shout out to you for noticing that. I went a little too quick, a little too aggressive there to start the day, but here we are. We are what we are. You're shorting here. I don't blame you, by the way. First touch of the 21 usually be like a 20 point reaction, probably 25. All right. I appreciate everyone that tuned in as always. This whole market stuff's still weird right now. But hey, as this thing balances out, we start getting back range bound, VIX coming back down, we'll have a little bit more high confidence trade. I'm still trading so light on size. That's why I'm able to take three, four losses, 5 shots at it, and work my way back. All right, everyone, have a great, great, great rest of your day. I'm back Friday. Tomorrow morning on Spaces, Edgeful is live with us. Andre on Spaces with us, live trading tomorrow morning on Wolf Financial. Check us out there. I'll be back Friday. Hope you guys